I've never tasted such delicious eggs. An easy and delicious breakfast. First, let's dice a tomato. Fresh tomatoes will add a mild acidity that perfectly balances with the other ingredients. Transfer the tomato to a container and get ready for the next step. Next, let's chop half an onion. The onion will bring a slightly sweet flavor when cooked, complementing the tomatoes deliciously. Add the chopped onion to the container along with the tomato. Now, we'll need half a red bell pepper. Dice the bell pepper into small cubes and add it to the bowl with tomato and onion. Add a pinch of salt, mix everything well so that the salt spreads, and set aside. In a skillet, add a little olive oil and spread it around. Now, in a separate bowl, add 2 whole eggs. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and beat well until the eggs are fully mixed. With the skillet already hot, let's add 2 slices of ham and let them fry lightly. Then pour the egg mixture into the skillet, covering the ham. Now, let's add the seasoned vegetables we prepared earlier in the middle of the egg mixture. To give that special touch, cover everything with grated mozzarella cheese. On top, add a tortilla. Now comes the trick. With the help of a plate, flip the omelet in the skillet, leaving the tortilla side down. This will ensure everything is well cooked and the cheese completely melted. Add another layer of grated mozzarella on top and carefully fold the sides of the omelet to close it. If you're looking for a way to start the day with energy and lots of flavor, this recipe is for you. Once ready, transfer to a plate. The first recipe is complete. In the second step, let's slice another tomato into rounds. Then, chop 2 cabbage leaves into small pieces. The cabbage will add a crunchy texture and a fresh flavor to our sandwich. In a bowl, break 2 fresh eggs, preparing the perfect base for the recipe, ensuring the mixture is homogeneous and full of flavor. Season with a pinch of salt and beat well until fully mixed. Now, in the skillet, add a bit more olive oil and spread it well. Then, pour a layer of grated mozzarella and let it fry until it starts to melt. Pour the egg mixture over the cheese and quickly add 2 slices of sandwich bread. Flip the bread so both sides are covered with eggs and cheese. When the egg begins to set, flip the bread with the crusty side down on the skillet. Now, let's add 2 slices of ham, the tomato rounds, and the cabbage pieces we cut earlier. This breakfast is the perfect choice to start the day right. To finish, add another layer of grated mozzarella on top. Fold the bread, forming a sandwich, and let it cook until the cheese is completely melted. Transfer to a plate, and it's done. Our easy and delicious breakfast is ready to be served. If you like these recipes, like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment on your favorite breakfast trick. If you found the tips helpful, be sure to share this video with your friends and family. And also share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know what secrets and tips you use to make your recipes even more special. Thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next recipe.